Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So I wanted to do just a little update for those of you that have been following my animal rescue auction. If you watched the last one, I'm very proud to say that we raised over $10,000 on that one. And during that live stream, I mentioned it was only for half, and then I said that I was going to have another split it up into live streams. And during that auction, I said that the next one would be July 1st. Now, I have to change that date. I am so sorry. I didn't think about July 1st being on a Saturday, and with the 4th of July holiday in the U.S., I know people will be out that want to participate. I've had people mention that to me. And so I am going to move it back, or forward, back to July 10th now. I can't have it any sooner because I have someone still working on one, and then someone else who ran out of yarn, and Mary Maxim was out of the yarn and they just got it in, and so she's still waiting on the yarn to be sent to her. So they gotta have time to be able to finish those Afghans. So I'm going to put in the description box a link, and you can click on that link, and it's going to take you to where the live stream is going to be on July 10th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you can click where it says remind me, and it should send you a notification on that date. But just in case, because YouTube doesn't always do that, if you guys probably know, YouTube's not really good at that. But just in case, it's always good maybe if you do want to watch, you know, even if you can't participate. I always do appreciate everybody watching because that helps out a lot. You can just write that on your own calendar and maybe remind yourself July 10th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time will be the next final auction for the Mary Maxim Afghan kits for the animal rescue. But I do have other things as well. I noticed a lot of people saying they were wanting to participate in the Afghans to go for quite a bit of money. And I knew that they would because it's a charity event. And so what I'm going to do next time, if you know Thrift from Thrift and Stitches, we have something that we're doing together, which will be auctioned off. I might auction off couple things that I've crocheted that I have here, and I'll probably maybe auction off some mystery boxes of yarn too as well, you know, some smaller things like that. I don't know, I can't tell you what they'll go for, because usually when you do charity auctions the prices get high. It's not really the item, you know, you're paying for the item, but you're really paying for giving money to the charity. So but I'll try to put smaller things in there because people ask me if I would do that. So not only will it be Afghans, it will be some other things as well. I don't know like how much other things, but it'll be a few other things as well. But remember, even if you can't participate, just watching is wonderful, and liking the video, that's all I could ask for. So shout out to everybody that helped in any way. Anybody that just watched my last live stream, people that made the Afghans, people that helped in the chat, because I was trying to watch two screens at once. My voice is kind of gone out from it. It's not as fresh as it should be. As you can tell, it sounds like I have a cold, but I don't. It's because it was a 2-hour live stream and I talked the whole time. So anyway, so that was just an update. Remember, one more time, July 10th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time will be the last auction. I'll try to have some other things besides Afghans, and then that might be interest of people. I think I might have a few other things that people will like, you know, even besides mystery boxes and stuff. I'll look around. I'll see what Bagoday will see what she can do. And then since it's on a Monday, I'll have to call the rescue. In fact, they don't even know that I'm earning doing this for them, but I will have to call them and make an appointment with them. That's what I had to do last time, and then I'll try to get one in that week, and I'll take the money from this last auction, the over $10,000, and the money from whatever we make on the next auction, and we'll take a check over there, and I'll do a video of it so everybody can see that it's all legit. Of course it's legit, and everybody will be, they'll be really happy. I know they will. So, and I will do a video, I'll do a video a few days prior and show you the Afghans that are going to be up for auction, and then anything else that I can, you know, that I said I will have. That way you can look over them and see if you plan on bidding, you can find one that you like and stuff like that. So yeah, remember to go look in the description box for the link to that live stream that's pre-scheduled for July 10th, and hit remind me, but remember to mark it on your calendar, because YouTube is not the most reliable source when it comes to notifying people. But that's it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.